I am, as you can see, taking down my braids, and don't ask me why I'm looking crazy. Well, you can clearly, because I'm not excited about having to take down all of these braids, but the task must be done. So let's get into this. I'm watching some TV while I'm taking my hair down because, I mean, y'all know y'all gotta have something on. This is rather a tedious process. Uh-oh, y'all see that? We making progress, big baby. And don't mind my waistband. I've got to wear it since surgery. It protects my stomach. So just mind your business. This is about hair. Now we just about to speed this up a little bit. And just like that, all the braids are out. Now it's time to get to the next phase of this process. Woo! It's a tedious journey, y'all. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair and I'm detangling it. I'm starting from the ends and then I'm going to work my way up. And y'all know the drill. Let's speed this up a little bit. I'm actually spraying my Lush leave-in on the roots of the hair where it's like matted up dirt that's at the root part, you know, where the braids tend to be at. I'm just spraying the roots so it's easy for that debris to come out of my hair and not go bald in the process. Stay with me. It's a method to the madness. By this point, y'all, my arms are on fire. They are burning. Now we are moving on to the next section of my head, and it's just easier for me to detangle my hair if I section it out, especially when you know that you haven't combed through your hair in quite some time, and it just helps with breakage and so forth. Once again, we're going to start from the roots and then we're going to work our way up. And we're just going to speed this up while I work through the rest of my head detangling. We finally made it to the top of the head, and this is how much hair we lost throughout the process. So not bad for having braids in for a month and some change. Right now, all of this work that I'm doing is basically prep work, getting my hair ready so that I can basically do a deep wash. Like, I need to scrub my scalp so bad, and I cannot wait to feel the water going through my scalp. All detangled. And just like that, we're all washed. I do want to dye my hair jet black, but I'm going to let it rest a bit and then we'll do a part 2 for the next video.